Ah, financial freedom, it sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But what if I told you it's more attainable than you think? Hi, I'm here to guide you through the essentials of wealth management, a key player in your journey towards financial liberation. Let's start at the beginning. Wealth management isn't just for the ultra-rich. It's a strategic approach that combines various financial services to address your personal financial needs. Whether it's investment advice, tax services, or retirement planning, wealth management covers all bases to optimize your financial health. Now, the first step in wealth management is understanding your financial situation. What are your assets, your liabilities? What are your short-term and long-term financial goals? It's like setting up a map for a road trip. You need to know where you're starting from and where you want to end up. Next, let's talk about investments. Investing is a crucial component of wealth management. It's not just about picking stocks or bonds. It's about creating a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Think of it as planting a variety of seeds in your garden, so if one doesn't flourish, you've got plenty of others growing robustly. And of course, risk management. It's vital to safeguard your assets against potential financial downturns. This includes setting up emergency funds, getting the right insurance, and being prepared for the unexpected. Life throws curveballs, and proper risk management ensures that these don't derail your financial plans. Lastly, don't forget about the importance of regular reviews and adjustments. Your financial plan should be a living document, adapting as your life changes. Marriage, children, career shifts, all these can affect your financial landscape. Regular check-ins with a financial advisor can help you stay on track and make necessary adjustments. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? With the right wealth management strategies, financial freedom isn't just a dream, it's a very achievable reality. Start today and pave your way to a secure and prosperous financial life.